5 ways to get rich with side hustles. No experience needed. Are you looking for easy ways to make extra money through side jobs that anyone can start? Today, we're exploring the 5 amazing side hustles that you can start right now. No fancy degrees or years of experience needed. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone wanting to boost your income, these ideas are designed to fit into your life easily. Don't go anywhere. We'll be highlighting these incredible opportunities, and you definitely won't want to miss number 4, a hustle that anyone can get into. Side Hustle 1, Freelance Writing. Imagine this. You can start earning money from the comfort of your home with just a laptop and an internet connection. Sounds pretty good, right? That's where freelance writing comes in. It's one of the simplest side hustles you can dive into. And the best part? You don't need a fancy journalism degree or years of experience to begin. So, how do you kick off your freelance writing journey? It's easier than you think. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are great places to set up your profile and start bidding on jobs. You can begin with straightforward tasks like writing blog posts, product descriptions, or even resumes. Rates can differ based on your skill level and the type of work you take on. But some writers manage to earn up to $100 for each article. With dedication and consistency, you might even find yourself transitioning this side hustle into a full-time gig. Let's look at a real-life example. Holly Johnson. She's someone who turned her freelance writing side hustle into a 6-figure income. Working with well-known publications like Forbes and Business Insider, Holly started with no formal writing experience. Through her hard work and commitment, she now earns over $200,000 a year, all while working part-time. If you want to know more about her incredible journey, check out her website at Club Thrifty. So, why not take that leap? Freelance writing could be your next step toward financial freedom. Side Hustle 2, Print on Demand. Imagine stepping into a world where your creativity meets profit without the hassle of managing inventory. This is the magic of print on demand. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone who can barely draw a stick figure, this side hustle offers you a chance to turn your ideas into products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. All you need is a spark of creativity or even just a good template and you're ready to go. So, how does it work? Picture this. You create a unique design and upload it to a platform like Etsy or Amazon. No need to worry about stock or shipping. Companies like Printful and Redbubble take care of everything for you. When someone falls in love with your creation and makes a purchase, the order is automatically processed, printed, and shipped right to their door. You sit back and enjoy the profits, which can be quite substantial. Some entrepreneurs are even raking in up to $10,000 a month just by selling t-shirts. Sounds tempting, right? Take a moment to think about Benny Sue. With no experience in fashion or design, Benny discovered the potential of print on demand and turned his creativity into cash. In just 5 months, he made an incredible $100,000 selling t-shirts. His journey is proof that anyone, including you, can create their own success story. Benny's triumph has inspired countless others to take the plunge and start their own shops. If he can do it, so can you. Curious about how he achieved this? Check out his story at the Get Busy Living blog and get ready to unleash your creative side. Your profitable print-on-demand adventure could be just around the corner. Side Hustle 3, Dropshipping. Sell products without ever touching them. Imagine jumping into the world of online selling without the trouble of handling inventory or packing boxes. That's the charm of dropshipping. You can create an online store, show off a range of products, and when someone clicks buy, the supplier takes care of everything else. You don't touch the products. You simply connect buyers with sellers, making it an appealing option for anyone looking to earn extra money. So, how does dropshipping actually work? First, you'll need to set up your store. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to get started. Next, you can find products from suppliers using services like AliExpress or Spocket. Once you have your products listed, it's time to market them. Social media is a powerful tool here. Use it to reach potential customers and showcase what you're selling. The magic happens when you make a sale. You keep the difference between what the customer pays and what you owe the supplier. It's a low-risk way to make money, especially since you don't need to buy inventory up front. Take the story of Sarah Crisp, for example. She jumped into dropshipping and managed to grow her store into a six-figure business in no time. Her journey, shared on her YouTube channel Wholesale Ted, has inspired thousands to take the leap into starting their own businesses. What's remarkable about Sarah's success is that she started with no prior experience in the industry. Now, she's a full-time dropshipper, and her insights can help you navigate the same path to success. If you're curious about how she did it, you can check out her videos on Wholesale Ted for some great tips and inspiration. In a nutshell, dropshipping could be your ticket to running a successful online business without the usual hassles that come with retail. With the right approach and a bit of marketing know-how, you can turn your side hustle into something significant. Why not give it a shot? Side Hustle 4. Online Tutoring. You could be sitting comfortably at home, sipping your favorite drink while helping students from all over the world. Online tutoring offers a great opportunity for people like you to make a positive impact on learners' lives while earning extra money. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, be it English, math, or even guitar, you can start tutoring online. With platforms like VIP Kid, Tutor.com, or Chegg, you have the potential to earn up to $25 an hour, which can really add up over time. This means you can assist students in grasping challenging topics while enjoying the financial rewards of your efforts. Getting started is easier than you might think. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a webcam, and a genuine passion for teaching. Whether you're explaining grammar rules or solving math problems, the flexibility of online tutoring is a major advantage. You can set your own hours, work from home, or even from a cozy cafe. It's all about fitting tutoring into your routine and making it work for you. Consider Jay Cummings as an example. He was a high school teacher who transitioned to online tutoring and now earns over $100,000 a year working part-time. By leveraging platforms like VIP Kid and Tutor.com, Jay turned his teaching experience into a successful side hustle. His story demonstrates that with the right tools and dedication, you can create a tutoring business that not only supplements your income, but can also evolve into a full-time job if you choose. If you have knowledge to share and a desire to help others, online tutoring could be the ideal side hustle for you. Why not take that first step today? Side Hustle 5. Rent out your car. Have you ever thought about how much money your car could make for you while it's just parked in your driveway? If you have a car that you're not using all the time, renting it out on platforms like Turo can turn that idle vehicle into a cash generator. You simply list your car, set your rates, and choose when it's available. This way, people in your area can find and rent your car for a day or a week. The earning potential is impressive. Depending on where you live and the type of car you have, you could make up to $500 a month or even more. By letting your car work for you, you're creating a way to earn extra income with little effort. It's an easy way to make some cash without changing your daily routine. Take the example of Ben B., who rented out his Ford Mustang on Turo and earned over $12,000 in just 1 year. His success shows that even your car can help you make money. So, if you have a vehicle that mostly sits idle, think about putting it to work. The chance to earn extra cash is right in your driveway. Are you ready to take advantage of it? You can read more about Ben's story and others like it in Turo's Success Stories. That wraps up our look at 5 fantastic side hustles you can start today, no experience needed. If you're feeling inspired to kickstart your journey toward financial freedom, why not take that first step? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We got tons of exciting content coming your way, including our next video, how to make $100 a day trading stocks, even if you're a beginner. Trust us, you won't want to miss it.